guys, today is Sunday. So today I had gone Facebook live and that only experience I would like to share with you. So before going ahead, I would like to give my introduction. So hey everyone, this is me Sushma Elkar. I am learning in 8th standard from Takshashila school from Marathi medium and as well as a student of Zero to Hero in English Speaking Academy. So let's start. Do you know my live experience is, I can say, very bad because do you know today I did not get time to manage my video, and at night means now I thought that my video remain at that time. Do you know when I started Facebook live at that time it was very nice, but internet not was there, so I had took from neighbor. It was going again and again. So do you know one video I have to delete, and when I made second in that also network issue was there. So but still I managed it. It's okay. It was very nice. I like that, but challenge came and you know time also wasted. But it's okay. Sometime it happens. It's okay. But it was nice, you know, topic and all. I could manage something. So I think that, and definitely next time I will give my more best in that. So really it was very nice. So really guys, thank you very much guys to listen me till